So now that we've already made our cotton candy, it's time to clean the machine. So gather up all of your remnants of cotton candy and either give them away, or if no one wants them, I guess you can just throw them away, which is sad. But once you've removed the bowl from your machine, you can get all of this wet without a problem. It's just the head of the machine that you don't want to get wet. Let's see. So turn on your water, and it's best if it's hot water because it melts the sugar easier. So just put your bowl right in here. And if this was hot, it would be melting right off, but it's not hot yet. But as you can see, even with cold water, it comes off really easily. You can just wipe it right off. If you have a rag, that's fine, or if you can just swish it around, the water around, and just kind of turn it in a circle like this, and you'll see it start to disappear. And that's pretty much it. And you don't have to take this net off. Just leave the net on, leave all the clips on, and then when you're ready to return it to your rental store or just to store it in your own home, it will be ready to go for the next time.